Let me show you the video steps of this powerful tool below. Step 1. You need to download and install iDataUp Android Data Recovery from our official website. Click the Android Data Recovery option to enter the interface. Then we need to connect our Android phone with a USB data cable. After starting the software, you will be prompted to enable USB debugging so that to establish a secure connection between the Android device and the computer, please. Follow the steps on the interface to enable USB debugging. Step 2. After debugging, enter the data recovery state easily. Select the data you need to recover, including contacts, messages, photos, videos, call logs, WhatsApp audio, documents, gallery. Click Next to enter the data scanning interface. Of course, we can also do a deep scan. Step 3. After the scan is completed, all the data you need to recover will be displayed. At this time, you only need to click the Recover button to recover the data. You can freely choose the path to save the recovered data and store it in your computer. It's that simple.